Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll show you how to pair the Samsung Level U2 neckband earphones with your Android smartphone device. To begin, ensure that the device is properly charged and that you've read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the unit. To initiate the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Next, come to the neckband, and on the right hand side of the pod, you've got the power button at the very top. Keep that pressed for a couple of seconds. Then come to your smartphone and open the Bluetooth settings panel. Refresh the list of available devices, and you can see that the Samsung Level U2 has now appeared in the list. Tap on the name. Your phone will now give you a confirmation prompt. Tap on pair. And that's it. You can see that the device is now connected, has 60% battery left, and is currently marked as active. So that's how you pair the Samsung Level U2 neckband earphones with your Android smartphone device. Thank you for watching.